Hi, hello, salam, namaste. I'm your host Abu.
Your co-host Akash.
Welcome to our podcast, Unmuted. Okay, so I think this is a milestone episode అని అనుకుంటాను నేనైతే.
ఎందుకు?
Because of these people we got to meet.
And
So
because we met, Canon Factory was born.
Yeah, so everything is linked up.
Fab, I have a question. Have you tried any arts in your life? ఏదైనా ఆర్ట్ చేయడం ట్రై చేసిన? What is the maximum measurement or minimal measurement have you used?
I'm not that pro in measuring, but like I do just start.
Did you try to do in 1 inch?
No. I've never tried it actually.
You want to know more?
నాకు ఐసైట్ వస్తుందని ట్రై చేయలేదు.
Okay. You
సో
want
అంత
to know
స్వీట్
more?
స్వీట్ వాయిసెస్ విన్నారు కదా ఆ
Yeah.
90 అమ్మాయిలు. సో దే ఆర్ ద
Masterminds.
క్రియా
Masterminds.
మాస్టర్ మైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ an inch August.
And many more talents. అది నేను చెప్పను.
Of course, we'll get those things from them.
Yes. So let's not delay. Let me introduce you to both beauties behind the Anand Chalkis and many more events. Neha and Meghalika, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much for having us on Unmuted.
Always our pleasure. And
Finally,
happy Friendship Day.
Happy Friendship Day! Happy
Happy
Friendship Day!
Friendship
Happy
Day.
Friendship Day.
Happy Friendship Day! Happy
Okay,
Friendship Day!
one point I'll add here. Chala important point. By any chance, this point is also for you both.
Okay.
By any chance, did you guys get any hint? And also the audience, even hint on that why we are in this color combination or color coordination? Any idea?
Yes, you guys?
Yeah, why this color?
Because of the biodiversity.
Ooh.
Green and brown.
Super. Yes.
Now you understood why I made it to choose these two colors.
You understood, right? How తెలివి he has.
So, నేను ఇంకా extra నేనేం చెప్పను. I want them to explain about everything.
Yes.
So let's not wait. Let's dive into it. So yes, guys, how are you?
We are great.
Awesome.
Lovely
Firstly,
Sunday.
your how's the baby?
She's doing great. Missing me.
Oh.
So sweet.
And congratulations for the 8th successful year of Anand
Thank
Yes,
Chalkis.
you.
congratulations.
Thank
It
you.
is like massive, movie terminology blockbuster.
Yeah, 7th season is lucky for us because we met in the 7th season. Yeah.
So how this all started? Like, what made you to choose Anand in August and why not any other months in the entire calendar?
I think how it started, Megha can say. And why August? I'll more about that.
Yes, please.
Sure.
So, it started 8 years back, 2018. So, basically, when I'm every time I try to tell the story how it started, నాకు ఇలా ఒక background flashback music వస్తుంది అనమాట. So, basically, me and Neha, we were co-workers when we were in an architectural firm. Both of us are architects. Back then, we were so held up with our everyday routine work. I'm not saying it's not interesting or anything, but it was a routine, right? So, ala chestu memo, we used to stay close by, and our office was almost like a 45 minutes travel distance. So, one day during this monsoon season, June, July, we were like stuck in the traffic. It was raining, and we were in the cab, and me and Neha, we were like, "Arey, kya chal raha hai?" Every day itla chestunam. Like, bore kodutundi, but alantu, there is a creativity within us. There is like, because we went into architecture thinking, we will play with colors, and this was giving us so much freedom, or the way we can express. And I mean, it's uncountable ways I can express this. But our intention to okati unde anamata, like a childhood thing which was there. And then suddenly we're like, every day, daily basis, we're not able to use or scribble with our crayons and pencils or do something like that, creative ga, mindless ga koncham. Like, not thinking too much like submission epudu, what is the client saying or something like that. So we're like, we should do something about it. And, we're like questioning each other, what would you have done, or what did you miss, or something like that. And then we were like, okay, let's do it like a challenge. You also draw. I'll also start drawing, painting. We'll start something like that, and then చూద్దాం ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తది అసలు. Like we'll just do something, and but if it's between us, we'll have some conversation and we'll do something. Okay, now all that is fine. How do we make this challenging? మనకి అంటే ఛాలెంజ్లు ఇష్టం అనమాట. అలా ఊరికే చేసేమంటే అలా నచ్చదు మనకి.
Basically creative field లో challenges is most important.
మాకు ఇంకా ఏంటంటే ఇంకొంచెం ఎక్కువ, ఇంకొక ఛాలెంజ్ చేద్దాం, ఇంకోటి దాని మించి ఏదైనా చేద్దాం, అలా ఉందన్నమాట మాకు. అది ఐ థింక్ మోస్ట్ పీపుల్ కెన్ కనెక్ట్ టు ఇట్. సో ఏం చేద్దామంటే ఇప్పుడు పేపర్ మీద ఏంటి ఏదో గీసేస్తాము. ఓకే, వై డోంట్ వి లిమిట్ ద సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ద క్యాన్వాస్, చూద్దాం ఏమవుతుంది. సరే ఎంత లిమిట్ చేద్దాం. We had so many things on mind.
We were thinking of many different ideas. I don't know, like 4" by 4" square, or should we limit it to A4? Should we limit it to A5? We were brainstorming many things. And another thing I think which Megha missed was one big inspiration to do it as a challenge was Inktober.
Okay.
If you guys know, so
Yes.
that time Inktober was very popular.
Yes.
And in fact, when I was in college back in 2017, I think I participated in Inktober for the month of October. And even though I had many submissions, I was swamped with work. I made sure I made 31 sketches during Inktober. So that was an inspiration
Yeah.
that okay, the whole world is doing something within October, doing some ink sketches for every day of October. So if we do it as a challenge, involve a community, then that consistency will automatically kick in. But what would that challenge be was what we were discussing in a cab ride actually.
Yeah.
We were going back from our office
to our respective
to
houses.
home.
That
And that's
cab
when
ride changed a lot.
Everything.
Exactly.
It changed
Exactly.
everything. It was literally born in just that one 45-minute cab ride from concept to finalizing. Okay,
Wow.
let's do it in 1" by 1". Let's pitch it to our friends. So Meghalika has a lot of artist friends. I had a lot of artist friends back then. I was connected with them on Instagram, and we had good artist community already there.
Yeah.
So we pitched this idea to them first. We are planning to start something. And funnily, I'll tell you why August. It could be as simple as we ideated this in July,
Yeah.
and then we can start it in August because that was the
Okay.
immediate month that is
Immediate
coming
month,
up.
right?
But we also realized August is such a happening month for many reasons. This Friendship Day, there
Yeah.
is Raksha Bandhan, a lot of festivals.
All the festivals start
And
right
there's
now.
national holiday, Independence
Yeah.
Day.
Yeah, a lot of
Ganesh
holidays
Chaturthi.
start.
While we were scheduling this podcast for today, we were having that thing like many people, all the guests are busy.
Yeah, actually,
Yeah.
because it was tough for us to, at least me to call and check. The first, the line is, August is a month of festivals and I'll be available. I said, like, good, okay. Then I should have called them 1 month before, or maybe I should call them after August.
Yeah.
But thankfully, we got that time from you.
Yeah, August is such a happening month for everyone in India.
Yeah.
For many reasons. All the Indian main festivals, after a long break from, April to June, July, there are hardly many festivals during that time. But in
Right.
August, suddenly it starts. Raksha Bandhan,
Ganesh Chaturthi,
Ganesh
Varalakshmi
Chaturthi,
Vratam, like all
exactly,
the
Independence
festive-
Day
yeah.
for all of us Indians. So,
And that too, the August month comes right in the center of the year.
Yeah. Almost balancing.
Almost balancing.
yeah, as per the Hindi
Yeah.
calendar.
Yes.
Exactly,
That's what
yeah.
I was saying.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Sankranti.
And also, I think not just for festivals, but even the environment.
I wanted to tell
Monsoon
that.
is like
Monsoon.
it's right in the middle of
Exactly.
monsoon. So even the whole
Yeah.
nature is celebrating.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
The first time when I was attending the Anij August event, the closing
Yeah.
event,
Yeah.
there when I started, I said like it will take time because it's
It's
raining.
raining.
Dude, I'm like, okay, how much time? He's like, maybe an hour. Like, okay, don't worry, I know.
Sham
weather
tak chalega.
condition.
come off.
बेचारा वो जितना ट्राई किया he reached there by 6 o'clock in the evening.
Hyderabad
Oh.
timing.
Yeah, it's like crazy. Hyderabad timing है, Hyderabad traffic है.
Hyderabad so,
And I was a bit surprised because the weather was very harsh on that day. And morning,
No, man.
I see like only 5-6 members turned up. It like 1, 2, 3. As it goes afternoon, then I see the entire crowd is like, okay. मतलब art में लोगों को इतना interest है.
Yeah.
That even
But I was
It was a
surprised.
very harsh week actually
Yeah,
last
I mean,
year.
I was very surprised that it was raining so badly.
And
I mean,
Still a lot of people showed up even after that.
when I was driving, I thought like if there is मतलब कहीं पे भी इतना clogging हो गया, and I
What if people
couldn't
get
move
stuck?
once,
Exactly.
घंटे stuck हो जाएंगे. But luckily,
like you said, అంతమంది
सितारे
వచ్చారు అనేసి
जमते
కదా.
बोलते ना.
Literally that intention what comes from the people కదా, అది మాకు ఎట్లా ఉంటది అంటే ఇంత ఇన్స్పైర్ అవుతుంది అంటే మాకు
Overwhelming.
Yes, yes.
so so enthusiastic from people's and from our end. So we are like, why don't we push ourselves?
Exactly.
సో మనము ఏదైనా చేయాలి అంటే మనము ఇంకా ఛాలెంజింగ్ గా చేద్దామా, ఇంకా ఇంటరాక్టివ్ గా చేద్దామా అనేసి.
Me entering into the art community was the first time for me.
ఓకే
So so how this happens is like
I was amazed by looking at the art.
Instagram.
I mean, I met these people who have like
Guinness World Records.
Guinness
Oh, yeah.
Guinness
Oh
World
my
Records
God.
చేసి
Yes.
I was like shocked to see those people doing their artworks అంత చిన్న దాంట్లో pencil work.
Gauri.
Yeah, Gauri. So the only thing I want to say is, I mean, these two people have changed my life.
Beauties.
From the yes, yeah,
Beauties.
the beauties have changed my life from last August. Yeah. I mean,
Lost and found. Last August
yeah,
found.
24 August 2024 okay, before my life and now my life is totally different.
My God.
हम लोग ना तारीफ बहुत knowledge. तारीफ कर सकते हो हम तीनों का. It's fine. But I'm on a serious note. I'm asking you, since you have seen me sketching a lot, you have seen our group of friends sketching a lot. Have you tried sketching in 1 inch or doing something in 1 inch?
No, I mean I'm not that pro, so
No one is pro.
I didn't try that actually.
I'm not even pro in India. I'm still learning.
That's the point of the challenge.
Exactly.
We don't
Yeah.
want.
So
We
what
don't
happens?
want just professionals to participate.
Yeah, for
So
me,
it's
what
for
happens is like
everyone.
मुझे when I concentrate more on like smaller things, suddenly my eyes go blur.
Yeah.
वो थोड़ा
Neha's brutal web.
Emotional damage.
Yeah.
I'll put the music.
No, I get it. But
So, but I used to enjoy when you used to do that
no,
because
he actually
Actually, if you
admires
see, that's
the
the whole
artist.
challenge.
yes.
So when we told people about Anij, people started doing it. Ever telido, when they started doing it, in a way, I'm not saying everyone, but it feels like 1 inch lo emundi. Yeah, we can do
Yeah.
it. You start doing it, you'll know what it is.
Dude, that is
Exactly.
almost
At the same time, it is so interesting. You can make it simple,
Mhm.
or you can make it as intricate as possible. Asalu, it's like endless.
Yeah.
అనిపిస్తుంది దట్ పెద్ద పేపర్ ఉంటే ఎక్కువ చేయొచ్చు కదా నేను అని. You just started, you keep on filling it. అసలు ఆపాలి ఎక్కడ ఆపాలి అనేసి విల్ బి లైక్ సర్చింగ్.
question mark.
యా
And the point which you told, పెద్ద పేపర్ ఉంటే మనం easy చేస్తాం or చేసేద్దాం అని, but the more toughest is you do on a small surfaces.
Yeah.
And when I started as Anij last year, and we followed 7.
Seventh as the
year
theme.
theme.
Seventh as a theme.
year, yes.
So I started doing all my friends' portrait illustrations, which you guys saw.
Yes.
My mom asked me this question: what was this idea about? Like, is it something like you're growing something in art field? What is the intention to do only in 1 inch, and why not in any other surface? Like, see, painting, canvas, you name any form of art. Anybody can do it on a wall or a book or something. But there's something you have to challenge yourself, break your boundaries. If you're not able to, it is okay. But if we don't try, ముందే give up ఇచ్చేస్తే ఇంకా ఎప్పటికి నేర్చుకోం. And
Basically, art is a God given gift అని అన్నాను. Because normal usual person ఎవరైనా అంత ఈజీగా ఏది పడుతుంది. Art, you are doing an art is like God's gift.
A lot of people even told us that it helped them get get out of tough phases in life.
Absolutely.
Because they were able to just put that time aside for themselves and indulge in something they truly love doing.
I'll tell you a
Exactly.
recent interaction. My dad, who is also into art, he, because of obviously age and health conditions, he visited the doctor, and she was like, you have to stress less, and general advice, which is beneficial for everyone. She was suggesting, you have to stress less and take up some hobby and things like that. And my dad was like, yeah, even I'm an artist, like, I do some sort of artwork or painting. Then she was trying to suggest, like, there are so many clubs in the city, like Hyderabad meetups or something like that. You have to take part in Anne and August, she said. And my dad is like, what did you say, Anne and August? And she started showing something like, there is this thing on August. And I was actually waiting outside in the hospital.
Oh, the doctor didn't know that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And my dad comes with her, and I'm looking, why is he coming out with the doctor? He's like, she's my daughter. I literally had goosebumps. I was like, what? Like, someone advising my dad about what I started. It was like so wholesome, saying, art as a therapy, anadanki.
Yeah.
This is what is happening. I mean, yes, I understand it may be very difficult. Exactly, ade kada. You start doing it.
Yes.
The third day you'll be like, yeah, you're not straining so much. And by the end of the month, you will be like so confident with something. Next month, August, September, October, you'll be ready for October.
We are
October again.
like,
No, for me, even when I work hectic, the stress relief is like either cooking or art. So like I have learned crochet a little bit, so I'm trying to do that as well. So these are like peace for the mind.
Yes. Yeah.
Usually, apart from all this, where do you come from and all?
How it all started as managed?
No.
No.
Into
art.
arts. Yeah, into the art.
Okay. I am from Hyderabad, born and brought up, full Pakka Hyderabadi I am. But I studied in Nagpur. I did my architecture, 5 years of architecture degree in Nagpur. And the reason I selected architecture as my graduation course was, I mean, a lot of people told me, do IIT, you score well, you're good in like science and everything in school, Many people told me just try for IIT, BITS, all these big engineering colleges. But I had this artist in me. I would sketch since childhood, I was good in drawing, coloring and all. I loved doing that. And I was like, I don't know, I just want to pursue a career that also gives me that creative side, or that purpose of, doing something more than just science. I wanted to like club science and art in a way. And I felt like architecture was the perfect blend of that.
Right.
So that's when I just researched a little about architecture. There was a cousin of mine who was pursuing architecture, spoke to him. And then I decided, okay, I want to pursue this career stream. And as I studied architecture, my 5 years of college were perhaps the best years of my life. I loved every bit of college, all the ups and downs. It was very challenging, but it was also very fun. And then I met Meghalika during my internship, college internship itself. And I did work as an architect for a couple of years after graduation. But then I'm this multi-potentialite person. I don't want to do just one thing.
Yeah.
I don't know for whatever reason, I just can't do one thing. And I find that very limiting. I can't do just architecture job for my entire life. I can't do just job as an artist probably for my whole life.
Correct.
And I have so many interests. I do photography whenever I can.
Yes.
I write. I love to write. And that's when I realized I took a pivot from architecture and I went into marketing. Because I'm a very big people person. I love to understand how people are interacting with each other, how they are connecting. I love connecting people. And Anuchogus is a way to do that.
Yes.
So that's how I got into marketing and community building, working with organizations that are coming up with purposeful communities, right? They need people to manage those communities.
Correct.
So I sort of found a good fit for myself there as someone who can build communities. And so yeah, I without any formal education, I'm into marketing somehow,
Nice.
branding,
Yeah.
marketing, and
Yeah.
community building.
And that is helping you
And-
right now a lot.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
is. And
absolutely.
I love doing what I do. It can be very irritating sometimes,
The job
That's
is
the
not,
challenge.
which, yeah, that's the challenge.
but yes, like here I am. I never thought that what I did as just a hobby or something I love doing, which was like connecting people. I did that in college. I did that with Anand August, and now I'm doing that with my job as well.
Awesome.
My main job. So that's, I think I'm like, okay, I found that good intersection of
Good niche.
clubbing a lot of my
Right,
interests,
right.
you know. So yeah, I can say I'm a community builder, and I
Absolutely.
can put all of my skills in place: photography, writing,
Yes.
and art. So many
Hmm.
things in that one big thing. So yeah, that's about me.
आप बताइए.
Man.
No, you should say.
So,
Yeah.
in a way, what Neha told also fits my journey. And I think that's how we got connected. Because, I'm from Hyderabad. I'm a very local person. And my family is into art. My mom, dad, my grandfather is a photographer. My mamas are also into photography. I mean, I have idea about these. And I've seen artists since from nowhere to something like,
Yes, yes.
I know some people like that. So I know what the journey is. I understand that. And I just love art. So there's no relation between why I chose this and that. But I've grown up seeing colors or color pencils, papers, and just things like that in my house, like just lying around. So, that was my whole childhood like. And then architecture, in a way, was a no-brainer because one of my cousins is an architect. My mom did an interior design course. My dad is into civil engineering. So it was something like that. It just fell into place that, okay, I love doing this. I mean, I didn't have that. I do have a passion for doctors where I thought I'll become a veterinary doctor at one point
Okay.
because I love animals. But then I was like, I think architecture is my thing, and ala connect ayi, okay, let me do an SE. I started. During my college journey, yes, I met my sweet little husband.
Oh,
That's a love marriage.
Yes,
Oh, so
my
sweet.
college senior.
Oh,
So yeah, college was great. Colleges, submissions, it was fun. I mean, no complaints. I've learned life lessons, ninchi architecture, art. I mean, I'll tell you, architecture was a wholesome package. If you see what
Yeah.
we learned, the first few classes in architecture is just writing ABCD, Telsa. It's just writing A to Z in different fonts or different
Typography.
typography.
Typography,
oh,
right.
okay,
So
okay.
it feels A to Z Raidamani. You do it, the teacher will pinpoint what all you learn and then you again redo. So
Okay.
it's from such a basic level to color theory, perspective, what is this, and I see like this a big niche which opens in architecture and matter. So I fell in love with architecture because whenever we design any project also, we do something called a case study, which
Yeah.
any work happens like a case study. The fun part for me was whenever I was doing a case study, I had to be in the client's place. Like in the sense, suppose if I was designing a hospital, I have to understand doctor's perspective, a patient's perspective, the nurse's perspective, a person who's visiting all these perspectives, and then only I can design something like that. I mean, chinna example cheptunna idante. But that was the interesting part, what I felt about architecture. I was like, so, intruded, like how people and a space get connected and a concept me. I was like, it's something else. And I've learned so much about it. So yeah, again, office law, we met and this happened. Okay. And after all that discussing what happened, this Anand Chedamaidan, we realized we have so many things in common. We are from the same school.
We
Wow.
found out after we went to the same office.
Crazy.
Then we were like, oh, do you know this senior? Do you know that
And
senior?
that was very randomly. Like
Yeah.
probably we discussed about Anand Kuda. He స్టోరీ చేయడం కూడా ఆయన నుంచి ఎలా చేయాలి ఆ ఛాలెంజ్ కూడా అయిపోయింది అనుకుంటా మేము డిస్కషన్.
Yeah.
సడన్లీ ప్రాబ్లీ వీ లైక్ ఏ నువ్వు ఏ స్కూల్, ఎందుకంటే హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి కదా, we might know people అనేసి సెయింట్ ఆంథనీస్. I'm like, sir, I'm also from St. Anthony's. I'm like, what are you, which year?
We never met him.
So and it was like so coincidental that అనుకోకుండా చాలా థాట్స్ మ్యాచ్ అయ్యాయి అనమాట. ఏదో పెద్ద స్ట్రగుల్ చేయకుండానే we were syncing with like today. It
Funny
was
story. We
actually-
always sort of end up either matching or we were completely contrasting stuff.
which
Green
is
and white.
exactly like
We-
black and white.
We both
yeah.
can relate to that.
Yeah, actually, we both,
Seriously.
always we go with that, and people think that okay, you guys are fine.
It feels
A
like
lot
that,
of
but
people
they
ask
do
us
so
that.
much
You
effort.
guys always discuss, right, what you're wearing.
So I have a question. So recent pre-meetup, when in the last year it was the theme was seven.
Sunday thing,
Sunday
not
theme.
the whole.
Yeah, the Sunday theme. So this time you mixed up two themes, right?
Yes.
One is biodiversity, and where you Soul Forest will be collaborating with us. I'm sorry, with Ann in August. And
You are a part of
Part of
NH
NH
Yes.
community.
I'm happy to be there. And the other thing was 8, and if we tilt 8, it is infinity. So why don't you say a few words?
So regarding the collab with Soul Forest and having the theme as biodiversity for the whole month, this is actually the first time we are having one single theme for the whole month.
Yes.
I think back in 2021, we had daily prompts.
Okay.
And the daily
every
prompts
day
were also like a question.
Oh.
So we asked a question, and the response of whatever you want
Picture.
should be in an art form.
Oh,
Yeah.
Crazy.
Example.
Your childhood memory.
So actually 10th class lo, they gave us a poem to, and a 2-line poem untadi. కత్తి మీద సాము,
అవును, పద్యాలు అలాంటివి.
సంథింగ్ లైక్ దట్. నో, అట్లాంటి వాటిని we had to convert it to a small painting or
Painting.
sketch or
Oh,
something
wow.
like that.
That's
So-
interesting.
So
This should be
Long
No.
prompt.
Yeah.
It's a longer prompt.
yes. So maybe that is relating to the
Yeah,
point
yeah.
you said.
Yeah, like the questions and everything. So every year we try to add some little challenge to the Anand challenge by itself. So first to 2018 we started by Anand August saying inch low will draw. That was the whole challenge. So we drew, our friends, the communities just started growing anamata. 2019 we did the same thing, but we realized that photography is also an art skill.
Yes.
And that is also a niche which can fit into an inch August by macro photography.
Yeah.
So you capture the object, or your subject is supposed to be within an inch, or you make something within an inch low if you can focus, and that's the whole macro photography idea. So that was introduced in 2019. 2020, COVID happened, and there was this lot of online live sessions which were
Yes,
generally going on, right?
Yes.
So మేమేంటి ఓకే ఈసారి కూడా మనం చేయాల్సిందే, ద కమ్యూనిటీ స్టిల్ హ్యాస్ టు కంటిన్యూ అని చెప్పి we also took up some live interviews with artists. So 2 years ki we started growing, the community growing. It happened so organically, like ante mundu literally we knew just 5 people in Anand August, and using the hashtag we got about 20-30 people. Ante enta organic ga ayindante, with that online without any stopping we did a meetup also at the end of the August. We did a online meetup
Oh,
with
nice.
all the people who took part.
Our first meetup was actually in 2019 itself. We had a
Yeah, that was
offline exhibition, art exhibition sort
Yeah.
of thing at the end of August, where everyone gathered and they displayed whatever they
Yeah.
did
So
during
the idea for the meetup was August 2018 లో చేసినప్పుడు హ్యాష్ యూజ్ చేసి, if you see the community, you use that hashtag, you see ఎవరెవరు ఏం చేశారు. 19 కూడా అలానే అయింది. mid-19 in the August, లైక్ ఇంతమంది చేస్తున్నాం, మనం కలవడానికి అవ్వట్లేదు, why don't we meet and we'll see the artwork. And 2019 లో when we hosted the meetup and people put their own artworks which they have done, not necessarily 31 ఎన్ని చేస్తాను they put up, that time we realized you put seeing something on Instagram with the
versus
1
seeing
inch,
something in real.
something in real life, it was a whole different game.
Wow.
Like you see something within an inch in practicality.
Yes.
We'll see what sort of details you can add into it, and people అంటే ఎంతైనా ఫోటోగ్రఫీ ఒకలా ఉంటది ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ లో, యూ
Right.
సీ సంథింగ్ ఎల్స్. సో దాట్ గేవ్ us a thing that every year we should do a meetup.
By the
We should
way,
meet the
how
community.
did this logo come in?
So the inner part, if you see, it's exactly 1 inch.
Mm-hmm.
So basically we were trying to have multiple ideas. We're like, why don't we use something which is very handy, and you just put this, draw this, make 1 inch or just so that you draw within that.
And
So
the
you don't
gap
have to,
was
like-
also left intentionally because it's the logo ka square.
Okay.
The gap
So it says
is where
hashtag
we
an
add-
inch August.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Interesting. Now I got it.
This
It-
way, I
it
think
was
we
more like
made this in 2023.
Oh.
The
ఇంకా
first
ముందు.
one.
The product, the product
first-
wise, yeah.
Actually, it's a good thought.
Yeah.
So it was more like ప్రతిసారి స్కేల్ పట్టుకొని 1 inch 1 inch.
Mm.
అంటే మాకు తెలుసు 1 inch ఎంత, బట్ వీ వాంట్ టు బి అక్యురేట్, విల్ డూ 1 inch.
నేను ఫస్ట్ టైం అంటే అనించ్ దానికి వచ్చినప్పుడు ఐ థాట్ టీ వర్క్స్ కండక్టర్ వాళ్ళ
Oh.
ఈవెంట్ అది అనుకున్నా. ఐ డెంట్ నో దట్
They have a similar
Yeah, they
line.
also have a
The
red,
fonts also
white,
have the
red,
red.
black, color scheme.
Yes,
సో తర్వాత when I asked him like hello okay ఇది ఎవరు ఏంటి అది అంటే then he told like okay you both have started this and slowly
So 2020 happened.
2020 we had the online meetup. 2021 was where we
We couldn't
no,
do
actually
a-
2020 we introduced Sunday prompts.
Mm.
So we were like, okay, let it be open-ended, but let's have some prompts. So then we were like, okay, let's do it for all the Sundays
Only
of
Sundays.
August. And we actually invited people from the community itself to give the prompts.
Oh.
Yeah.
nice.
And we told them that the prompts need to be appropriate for macro photography as well as artists.
Yeah.
So we got prompts like texture,
Oh.
beverage,
Yeah.
you know, which could be done by
Yeah.
artists as well as photographers.
Yeah.
So it was a very, very active year actually, 2020.
2020.
And 2021 was where we introduced daily prompts.
Daily
So every year we keep trying to
yes,
trying to do something new. And daily prompts were like what Megha said: a question. What's your favorite memory? What's the most refreshing
Yeah.
drink?
So
Your
in 2021,
simple like that.
what happened is because of 2020 COVID, that break, I felt, or like, we connected in the sense that we had we had self-reflection during that COVID time and all, no?
yeah
So our emotional journey ఒక roller coaster లా ఉండాలి. So why don't we ask these questions and like let's see what we can do. I mean, అసలు unbelievable వచ్చాయి అసలు responses. You think the answer is straight, but once you draw it, it's a whole different ball game
Yes,
అన్నమాట.
yes.
So it was so fun. 21 we didn't do a meetup. 22
21 was again a lockdown, so we didn't have a meetup. 22 was again an offline meetup
Yes.
in Hyderabad itself.
Yes.
Again, they had Sunday prompts were there.
Hmm.
And 23 was
We did pre-meetup. 23.
It was the first time we did a pre-meetup.
Last year.
Nice.
23.
23. Okay.
So pre-meetup happens end of July. So that is to basically talk about what is going to happen in August. So that what we realized is every year, papam, every
A lot
year,
of people ask us after almost August is done, Hari, how can I
So
take
we-
part in this event?
it's an open-ended
Yeah.
meetup, right?
Yeah.
So people, family, they came to see their work.
Yes.
And if I call my family, they were seeing 10 other people's artwork, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So ala motivation to వచ్చి not my family, other వేరే వాళ్ళు కూడా వచ్చారు, walk-ins and all. So they were like very intruded, like how can we do this అనేసి. And they were like, అరే August అయిపోయింది కదా అనేసి.
Oh.
So then we were like 2023 we have to do a pre-meetup so that will మాకు కూడా ఒక సెల్ఫ్ మోటివేషన్ అవుతుంది. లెట్స్ లైక్ buckle up what to do అలాంటివన్నీ చేద్దాం అనేసి pre-meetup స్టార్ట్ అయింది 23. And then 24 happened with the workshops.
Yeah.
And that's where
Yeah,
I think
I was
23
met you
That's
guys.
was
where we
also,
Yeah.
23 was also when we started collaborating with various communities in
Communities.
Hyderabad, like Beyond Hyderabad, which was started
now
by
we'll
Harish
also
Shetty.
collaborate with you.
Yeah, I think that was our collaboration for the whole month.
Month.
And our prompt for that year was also Beyond Hyderabad. Express your love for
Nice.
Hyderabad, like
Yes.
beyond just Chai, Charminar, and
Yeah, that was the Sunday
yeah.
brunch again. Yeah.
So that very, very interesting stuff came up there as well. Like people showed us about their own cities as well as about Hyderabad in very unique ways to their art. In fact, I drew those theaters, you know, RTC Crossroad wale theaters.
Yeah.
So I
Sudarshan.
grew up watching those movies, Sudarshan, Sandhya, Devi, and all.
Odin.
Yeah. So
it's like, you know, art people just look the way to connect with the other art people.
Yeah.
And, you know, form a
Yeah.
proper
Absolutely.
community.
And
In a way, some introvert, like someone who's an introvert also, they were able to express through art, and we were like, మనం మాట్లాడాలంటే కొంచెం సిగ్గుపడతాం అనమాట, బట్ అదే డ్రా చేసామంటే విల్ డ్రా వండర్స్, లైక్ యు
Yes,
నో
yes.
విల్ ఫిట్ సంథింగ్ ఇన్ 1 inch
Yeah.
and you'll be like, and then you ask me what did I draw, I'll like go on and go on and go on, and I
Yeah,
can't stop about
obviously.
it. So that's the interesting part which connected with this.
You know, in the start, I used to think if I go at this stall, so if you go and see, I used to think we need to buy something.
Ah.
Later on, when I started visiting stalls with him, then I understood, like, go see, appreciate the work.
It is apart from my appreciation, it is more about networking.
Yes.
Encouraging networking.
Yeah, encouraging. So, but Annie Joggers has changed a lot.
Perspective.
Towards the art, actually. I mean, like, you know,
that was the whole point.
Yeah.
I never
Of
knew.
starting that.
Yeah, I never knew Hyderabad had so many
Art
artists and
communities.
art community and
Even
everything.
we met a lot of photographers and
Yes.
artists through the challenge, and
Yeah.
a lot of people like you guys still come and tell us that we connected during one of Annie
event.
Chaugas events,
Yes.
because 2023 was the first time we collaborated with
Brands.
Beyond Hyderabad and then had the event at T-Works.
Yeah.
And then the next year, communities that formed during that event, like the Artisans Club.
Yeah.
They started
And
collaborating with you.
They met in the Anich event. They created their
Now
own.
they're like a huge family, art
and
family.
now we are a huge family. They also had a flea in a few months back.
I was there.
at
Yeah, I was a
T-Works.
part of it.
So just seeing many communities collaborate and doing wonders in their own time with other people. The whole idea of Anich was to collaborate and
Yes,
yes.
do something together.
There is a
Exactly.
saying, like, you know, a small change will make a bigger.
Yeah.
1 inch can change.
That's what I'm saying.
Correct. Nenu, why did you
అంటే ఒక recommendation.
అది sarcastic look.
Exactly.
No, I was just trying to see will it complete, but when he saw my expression, he was confused. Like, okay, am I saying wrong or right? You were right. I was just giving a funny expression. Okay, just say 1 second for our audience. Come.
Yeah.
3, 2,
ఒక
1, go.
ఒక చిన్న స్టెప్ విల్ చేంజ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అరౌండ్ యూ.
ఈ లైన్ చెప్పడానికి you will
One
laugh.
inch.
1 inch
One
can
inch.
change lives.
Yes. 1 inch can change lives. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true because Tangent Factory Unmuted hosts are here.
Yes.
That brings me to our this year's collaboration
Hmm.
with Soul Forest, and having the whole month's theme for the first time as one single theme, which is biodiversity. So the reason for having that theme is I work with nature related brands. I am a community builder, but I am also very selective about the kind of communities I want to create. I want to create very purposeful communities, you know, that are doing something good for humanity, for the planet, for, you know, the well-being of everyone
yes,
in general.
right,
So I try to collaborate with brands that are in line with my own personal values. So so that's how, like, this collaboration with Soul Forest came in. They are trying to, like, revive barren lands into biodiverse forests.
Okay.
That's
Hearing
their,
your both story, I just resembled my grandma. I mean, my mom's mom and her mom. So, like, they both used to do this, like, you know, cotton, cotton danto, sponge to. They used to create some
Soft
small
toys.
soft toys, and they used
That's
to,
eco-friendly
Cute.
and
Yeah,
very,
they used to-
Right.
yeah.
like, maybe, you know, మా అమ్మమ్మ వాళ్ళ సైడ్ దగ్గర నుంచే ఆ ఆర్ట్ అలా
Exactly.
నీకు ఆ
So,
passion start అయింది.
yeah.
that's the whole point, right? You see all that in your mom's generation, your grandparents' generation.
Yes.
Today's generation, even us, we don't know much about the natural world, and
Yes.
the later generation, the next generation, doesn't even know how much ever we know.
Yeah.
So, and that's a very sad thing. It's, I mean,
But
we
we are doing
need
a
a way
good
to
thing.
connect.
Yeah.
We need a way to connect back with nature, and that's a given. That's a no-brainer.
Yes.
But also the recent events that happened in Hyderabad with, the forests being cut down,
Exactly.
the forests that are so close to the city,
Yes.
that are actually giving oxygen to the entire city, those were being cut down.
And people
it
doesn't
was-
know that there were like around more than 1,000
Animals.
animals in there.
Yeah.
Exactly. A lot
Yeah.
of people, only when it came up in the news that people got to know there was so many
many.
species living
Yes,
there. It was
yes.
their home. But then a lot of people, especially students of University
Yes.
of Hyderabad and many other communities across Hyderabad,
They
even
supported
Art
them.
Artist Group, which was started by
Yeah.
Uday, who we are collaborating with this time.
Oh, super.
Even they expressed their their concerns about the issue through
Exactly.
art during that time. So it was very inspiring to see the entire population of Hyderabad
True.
just coming together and be like, we got to save what
Yeah.
matters. And if our natural world is not there, we will not be there.
Mhm.
So I think it was a very time sensitive theme. It is very, very relevant to our current lifestyles, our the way things are moving in the world. And I think August is a nice time to express your love for nature, your love
True.
for biodiversity.
Yeah.
And both of us, me working in the biodiversity space and Megha being a nature lover herself,
Mhm.
nature and animal lover, we were like, no, we have to have this
Yeah.
as a theme. And we also have a really good organization like Soul Forest who
Yeah.
wants to collaborate with us for the entire month. And so it just clicked. It felt
Yeah.
like a really natural fit,
Yes, yes.
Let's go wild this August. Let's be forest friendly.
No,
And,
అంటే just like if you say August, and it's August.
It's
That's it.
not a normal
Yeah.
August
Yes,
anymore.
that's changed a lot of.
Yeah. And then, of course, that's the theme for the whole month. But at the same time, we are
Sunday.
also having our Sunday
Sunday.
prompts.
Yeah.
Because 8, right? You just like tilt it sideways, you get infinity. And
yeah.
like Akash said in his video, 1 inch, infinite possibilities.
Yes.
So infinity is the theme for all Sundays,
Exactly.
which you can also club with biodiversity theme, our natural world, or you can do something else that you can represent infinity with.
I would want to manifest that, like like Annie August will go worldwide viral.
That's true.
Yes. and whole world లో ఎవరు ఆగస్ట్ అని గుర్తు చేసినా
And it's August.
Annie
and
August.
August రావాలి.
అండ్ దిస్ లోగో ఎంత యూనిక్ ఉందంటే ఐ విష్ దిస్ గెట్ ప్లేస్డ్ ఇన్ న్యూయార్క్ టైమ్స్
Represented by
Let's
Tangent
hope it
Thank
Factory.
you. Manifesting.
యా ఆఫ్ కోర్స్
Yeah.
No, the logo will be displayed represented by Tangent Factory.
Oh, yeah.
So we 4 will be traveling to New York.
Yes.
yes
Thanks
we'll
to Hello,
conduct
we'll
the
do a
event over
podcast.
there.
We will
Yes.
manifest that.
Times
Yes.
Square లో will be doing podcast. అక్కడ కూడా అక్కడ ఇంగ్లీష్ లో ఇంకా తెలుగులో కుళ్ళు పంచనే వేసుకుంటాం.
ఏ దొరుకుతుంది నాకు తెలుగు.
So what are your future themes? How you are going to design anything new?
So, if you ask what is the vision for Anne in August, ante, there are a lot. It is very interesting to think about. We keep talking about it, but unnai. But somehow we like the idea that organic collaborations valla or ఆ ఇయర్ లో ఒక అందరికి నచ్చుతున్న ఒక వైబ్ వల్లనో ఆర్ ఇంటెన్షన్స్ వల్లనో కొత్త థీమ్ ఏదైనా స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది ఆర్ కొత్త కొలాబరేషన్స్ వల్ల మాకు కొత్త ఐడియా రావచ్చు. సో వీఆర్ లవింగ్ దాట్ ఫ్యాక్ట్ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సో స్పాంటేనియస్ అండ్ ఏదైనా అవ్వచ్చు అనేది. బట్ యా ఇన్ జనరల్ we want this community to grow and grow and grow.
Yes, as we manifest.
And hopefully have meetups in other cities also,
Yes,
like
that is
Bangalore
something
and
we
Delhi.
want to.
Because
Extensions.
people have come from
Oh
Bangalore,
my God.
Ahmedabad, Gulbarga. People have come to the meetups.
Yes.
Only for
Just
the meetups.
Only for the meetup.
And
Crazy.
it's so humbling to see artists come every year just
Yes,
for
yes.
Orange August, and they keep waiting.
Yes.
That okay, I'm waiting for August so that I
Yeah.
can meet all my artist friends in Hyderabad.
Right.
I think in our long term vision we have that we want to host meetups not just in Hyderabad but in starting with other tier 1 cities like Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, and then slowly spreading it, even
Across
in
the
tier
world.
3 cities.
Yeah.
Yeah, across the world.
Across
Actually.
the world,
So I think every August just gives us that opportunity.
We have
to try.
entries from Germany.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
International
like-
My
entries.
favorite city.
So
He's from Germany.
Country.
Oh.
Sorry. Not from Germany.
He loves.
I've been there, so
Okay.
Yeah. So there are people who have participated from
Yeah.
other parts of the
Yes.
world as well. US, some
Yes.
people from
Yeah.
US, and because it's an online challenge, right?
Yes.
So you can share it on Instagram, connect with people.
That will be like
That's the whole
major art community in the world.
Yes.
Yeah.
See, I want to promise one thing in this podcast, especially.
It's on record.
Yes, it's on record.
Validations, evidences. Come on.
Okay, it's on record. That from now on, Tangent Factory will collaborate for every an inch August. And,
Ooh, wow.
yes,
Awesome.
we'll do our
Are
best
you
to promote.
guys listening to this?
Yes. So yeah, Tangent Factory will collaborate with An Inch August and we'll promote it. And I hope one day we'll promote it in a very bigger cities. And yes, An Inch August will reach places and places and places.
And hearts.
Oh,
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
That's
And
so
this will be-
sweet.
And this will be like a crossover which no one expected.
Exactly.
This will be out of blue.
So I can you just show your artworks? What?
Yes.
And why don't you share your product ideas like
Yeah.
this thing?
So, like, again, the collaborations and ideas when we did it, right? So, we wanted anything with a purpose. You know, like how we were discussing about the themes and all, having a purpose, art could speak, right? So, when we designed this, we wanted to make the stencil size, the internal design size itself in an inch so that becomes a stencil to draw something. And then, how do we showcase more of our art pieces? It's magnetic, that's why it was taken. So the strong magnet is very strong. You can see this. So you can just slide your artwork. One second. You can just slide your artwork like this,
Oh, nice.
and you keep on changing it or buy multiple, and it's very nice to frame it in this manner. And also talking
people
about
love
frames.
putting things on their
Yeah.
fridge.
Fridge,
Yes.
yes.
So
Yeah.
it's a cute thing you can hang on your fridge.
And also talking about frames, we have
Yes.
These
yes, frames, which were
3
lying
products.
since the start of the podcast.
So
Yeah. And actually, it fits more than one artwork. Like I had done all the
Yes.
9
Nine
inside
inside
out
out characters.
emotions.
basically,
Yes,
it's
yes.
a
You can fit up to 9
Hmm.
artworks.
3 inch by 3 inch, the internal
Yeah.
dimension.
And there's some.
And the
Oh, this
iconic
is-
red frame.
Hogwarts.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hogwarts. Zoom, zoom. One is the
A big waterhead.
I guess
Crazy.
I have also done a small artwork in this frame. Right now it is on my fridge.
Ah.
Yes, this I guess this I did last year. An inch. So Phoebe.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
My eyes. My
See, you got that
eyes.
episode. So people who
Yeah.
haven't watched Friends, please do watch. And
Are there people who didn't watch Friends?
there are people. Yeah, this is something I made. So and this time I'll challenge him to make something in 1 inch.
It's a good
Sure.
platform to try new hobbies, to
Yes.
try different mediums also.
Yes, yes.
That's what I did one year, I think 2019 or something. I was like, "Otti painting kadu, I'll do 3D modeling, I'll do
Oh, nice,
some
nice.
other thing anesi." Because that helped me understand what are the possibilities.
Right.
The paper మీద కాకుండా what can we do అనేసి నేనే ఒకసారి చూసుకుందామని చెప్పేసి I was doing that.
And
It was
I'm
fun.
so comfortable with ink pens, the small micron
Mm.
pens and all. I'm very comfortable with
Same.
them. For the first year, I did that along with some color pencils. Then second year, I moved to some alcohol markers. Then I also tried macro photography just with phone.
Yeah,
Yeah,
One
yeah.
year.
I
And,
guess I've seen you use your photographs as postcards and the
Yeah,
template cards
yeah, I do
in your stall.
that. And I also tried watercolors one year. I'm very bad at watercolors, but I tried doing that in that small tiny space. So yeah, 3D modeling I haven't
Try your
tried
hands,
yet,
you
but
should.
I guess that's next.
So I guess we got a lot of information connection.
Yes.
We were beyond 1 inch today.
Yeah.
To get to know more around 1 inch. Okay, now I am giving you a task in front of everyone. Will you able to do your kind of artwork in 1 inch by this month?
I'll do my best.
I'll see how we'll do.
We are witnesses.
Yes, evidences. We are here to validate, but
We'll
I've
see you on
learned a little bit.
31st,
We'll see you on
31st August.
with your artworks.
Sure.
So that day, I will be hosting the event and he'll be taking care of that.
Yay.
Done. Sure. So, shall we get to the next segment of this show?
Absolutely,
Which
why
is
not?
your favorite?
My favorite. अब तक ना पूरा अच्छे से बातचीत हुआ. We
Okay.
got to know more, but this is my most favorite segment. And where is your phone? I don't know. Oh my god. Okay, now there's a quick bite. He didn't even introduce the round.
Yeah, it's quick bites.
Quick bite.
Quick bite.
Quick bite.
Quick
Okay.
bites.
An inch bite.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. One word to describe your art style.
Colorful.
Okay. Pen or brush? What is your weapon of choice?
Pen.
Brush.
Nice.
What's harder, starting the first inch or finishing the last?
Starting. The first one.
Starting and being consistent.
Okay. Your go-to inspiration for a 1 inch idea.
Travel. My travels.
My own experiences.
My
Like,
travel.
yeah.
One thing you'd never draw in an inch.
I would
Consider
love to
myself-
say, nothing.
Yeah. I would
Time
consider.
will tell.
Yeah.
Okay. Favorite color that keeps you sneaking into every square.
Red.
Red, yellow.
Yeah.
Red.
Fill in the blank. An inch a day keeps dash away.
Yes.
Most unexpected thing you have fit into a 1
I'll
inch
say one
box.
thing.
What?
An inch a day keeps, dash away అనే బదులు brings near అని చెప్పి అంట.
Yeah. It brings near. An inch a day brings every artwork closer and closer like that.
Exactly.
I have okay.
You are the glass half full kind of person.
Okay. That's a nice compliment
Very
actually.
Okay. Most unexpected thing you have fit into a 1 inch box.
One of my pictures of the whole Himalayan mountain range.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
Oh,
including some small cottages and all of that.
Yes, I've seen it. అక్కడ
Like fitting a landscape in an inch, it was a big challenge.
For me, I wanted to tell a story or I want to express something.
Say it.
That was something which unexpectedly I was able to do it, and it was like so happy, and I was very satisfied.
Nice. If your inch art could talk, what would it say?
Can you do this?
Nice one.
Can
you
you?
do
Nice.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Who's one artist you'd love to do an Inch August collab with?
Lot of
Deepthi
them.
Harish.
Yes.
Okay.
She's the first one coming
Yeah,
to my
yeah,
mind,
yeah.
but yeah, there are many
Yeah, we
others.
have a lot of them.
Yeah.
In fact, one of my inspiration, or we know, is an international artist, Lorian Lutz.
Oh.
She does miniature artwork. And it's
Yeah.
unbelievable and literally one of my inspirations.
One more I can answer for Meta is Alicia Souza.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
Nice. What's your most used tool this August?
I think watercolor pencils.
Okay.
Eraser.
Absolutely. Biggest lesson from this tiny challenge.
Oh, be consistent.
Small things matter.
No, for me, for this question, if I would say like, be versatile and be trying to fit into the box.
एक इंच में सारी दुनिया बसा दो.
हाँ.
Think out of the box, like fitting into the
Yeah.
Yes.
Digital or paper? Where does your inch like?
paper.
Paper. Okay. Describe your current mood in an 1 inch sketch idea.
I think I would like this table,
Okay.
The
the camera and everything.
Oh wow.
Same.
yeah. I mean, actually, I'm all thinking about food right now because I'm
Okay.
starving. But yeah.
So, one last question. Just for each of you should say one word about her.
Okay.
Yes.
Say one word.
Actually, difficult to say just one word,
Yeah.
but the one thing I can think of is just be commenting tiny.
Okay. But I would say
So the opposite.
versatile. Because she does many things.
Right.
Like even in art, she tries many things. Other than that, also there's architecture,
Yeah.
her main thing, and then she's a trained classical dancer.
Wow.
There are many. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Nice. So, I mean, your spontaneity was great.
Thank you. Thank you
And
so
now
much
we'll-
for hosting us, guys.
Oh, always a
Thank
pleasure.
you so much. So again, the whole point about Anage August is to start somewhere small and be consistent. Just start somewhere small, be consistent, you'll have fun. Like, that's it.
Yeah, and I think a lot of times it happens with me that I undergo art blocks and I kind of experience them very frequently, and maybe to overcome them, Anage August is a great place to start because it's low commitment and you can do something simple, and just to, if you want to overcome your art block, I think it's a great place to start. At the same time, if you're suffering from lack of ideas,
We have a theme for you.
in that small space, then I think you can relate with what you love the most. It could be food, it could be nature, it could be your experiences, people you love. I think you can peek there for inspiration, which I do a lot. So, and it has helped me come up with some nice artworks. So, yeah, I think just it's a good way to create something while connecting.
Hi everyone, my name is Meghalika. I'm an architect and an art enthusiastic person. I'm the co-founder for Anage August.
Hi everyone, I'm Neha, also known as Tiny, and I am a community builder and a marketer, and I'm also co-founder of Anage August Challenge.
Thank you for watching us and sharing your love towards the community and showing us what can you do beyond an inch.
For more interesting stories about artists and creative people across Hyderabad and India, hopefully in future episodes, please subscribe to the Tangent Factory. A lot more interesting stuff coming up. And if you like this video, please comment, share your thoughts, and share it with your community. Let's keep the magic happening.
Like, share and subscribe.
Yeah.
Subscribe.